Getting a new phone? In 60 seconds, I'll show how to transfer your data safely. Step 1. Back up your old phone. Use iCloud on iPhone or Google Drive on Android. On iPhone, open Settings, tap your name, iCloud, iCloud Backup, then Backup Now. On Android, open Settings, select Google, tap Backup, and choose Backup Now. Confirm both phones are charged and connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Turn on your new phone and follow the setup prompts until you reach data transfer. For iPhone to iPhone, use Quick Start. Bring devices close and follow the on-screen animation. For Android to Android, use the Google Setup or a wired cable transfer when prompted in Setup. Android to iPhone, use the Move to iOS app during setup or transfer photos with Google Photos. Wait for data to transfer. Large libraries take time, so keep devices unlocked and connected. If the transfer fails, update both phones, check Wi-Fi, restart devices, and try restoring from backup. Done. Your apps, photos, and contacts should now be on the new phone. See the full guide for details.